Hey guys, in this video we're going to create our first Nuxt app. It's going to be a beautiful resume CV. So we're going to go to start Bootstrap like that, and they have very beautiful looking themes and templates. So we're going to go down here and we're going to get, we're going to get this one. So we're going to learn how to create our first, turn any website into a Nuxt app. So this has a license of MIT, which means we can pretty much do whatever we want with it, right? So you can go ahead and download it right there. It's a free download. And let's see what this looks like. So this is a pretty nice looking resume or CV. So we're going to turn this into a Nuxt app, right? It's going to work exactly the same, but with some optimizations from us. So let's take a look at this, right? If you go to localhost 3000, all right, I have that same resume running as a Nuxt app. So how can we tell that this is really a Nuxt app? In one of the videos I showed that if you have Google Chrome, you can get the View Dev Tools, which will be a big help in us debugging our Nuxt app and just moving around it. So if you can go ahead and make sure you have this and add it to Chrome, as you see, I already have it to Chrome. So let's take a look at the differences here. If I hit F12 and get the developer tools, you can see here that this is just a regular website at startbootstrap.com. It's just a regular site. But what we're going to do when you come here, my Nuxt 3 resume app, and I hit the same F12, or you open your View Dev Tools, see what happens here? Boom. So this shows us that this is actually an app. It's a Nuxt app. And if you go back here, I'm going to try to use this. See that? Nuxt root. So this is a Nuxt app. You got the resume here. That's the main component. And we're going to move down to the tree. We got navigation. We got resume body. And if you look at how well componentized this is how you want your app to be, because this makes it so much easier to go through your app, to know what component is underneath which component, and all that jazz. So we're going to learn how to do this. And just as a sneak peek of what the code will look like, we're going to have a ton of components here. We're going to look at the layout. We can learn about layouts. We're going to learn about nuxt.config.js and all that jazz. So, and also, as a last note, don't forget to click the link below. That shows you the little hidden secret to amazing Nuxt apps. I promise you, you will want to get this little secret. All right, it will help make your Nuxt app so much better. I promise you, it will make your Nuxt app so much better. All right, guys, see you soon.